Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to iPhone reset or hard reset iPhone. The easiest way to soft reset your iPhone is by turning it off. This method is often called a soft reset because, unlike a factory reset, you will not lose any data and it will not delete anything from your phone. Consider a soft reset when your phone is running slowly, if an app won't launch or work properly, or if you are experiencing a minor problem but your iPhone is still responsive. Apple changed how to perform a soft reset on the X, 11, 12, 13, and 14 series iPhones, where a soft reset requires you to hold down two buttons. All you're doing here is turning your phone off. Step 1. Press and hold the sleep or wake button and lower volume button. On the iPhone X and later models, you'll find the sleep or wake button on the right side of the phone. Step 2. Rest your finger on the slide to power off slider that appears. Then swipe to the right. Step 3. Once there is nothing on the screen and it goes black, press and hold the sleep or wake button again until the Apple logo appears to turn it back on. If you're using an iPhone SE or an iPhone 8 or earlier, you can shut down your iPhone simply by holding down the sleep or wake button until the slider appears. Alternatively, provided you have iOS 11 or later installed, you can go to the Settings or General and scroll to the bottom where you'll find the Shutdown button. When you tap Shutdown, you will see the Slide to Power Off slider. You can then proceed to Step 2. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.